Hey everyone, this is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA. Today we're going to be talking about how to ensure that you get product visibility with a retail chain. So if you have a great product and you are trying to sell to these chain stores and you're concerned about getting your product visibly noticed by them, this little training will give you some things to think about and how to get started today. With that said, let's get started on today's training. Number one, what I want to share with you is that you want to make sure that you do really well on that initial test order. So they're always testing you in the beginning. They really, and obviously they are looking for sales and so forth, but what you want to know is that first order is crucial because she's not going to reorder from you if that product doesn't sell. And the initial test is where she's eyeballing you, she's looking at you, she's trying to make sure that she picked you and it was the right thing to do. So what you want to do is tell your friends, tell your family members, do whatever you got to do. Put some ads online, whatever it is, drive people to that test order and make sure they're buying that product once it's in stores or online. The reason you want to do that is because she will pay attention to you, she will like you, and she will reorder from you, most likely if you do well. Now, some people say, Karen, but that's a fake test. I'm helping her out and that's not real and I don't want to give her false expectations. And I'm here to tell you that you got a one shot here and you can look at it however you want, but ultimately she's not going to reorder from you, so you got nothing to discuss. You want to help her along the way because that could be the difference between her making a ton of money and you making millions of dollars and so forth in the long run. So do what you got to do. It doesn't have to be expensive, but you got to help her out because that'll help you out in the long run. And anyways, I see a lot of people silly. They don't help her out and then the deal's over and they ruin the opportunity with that chain store. So you want to help and tell people that your products are in their stores or wherever it is. The other thing to do is to let her know about new products shortly after the thing starts selling. So you're helping her out, people are buying the product, it's exciting, she's interested in you. During that hot time, that exciting time, let her know about other products because you want to try and onboard other products if she wants to buy more stuff from you. It's very well known in our space that the buyers will love on you if you make her money and she'll want to buy more things from you. So let her know. Some people don't tell them that, they just focus on that one product. Now, I'm not saying to do that before you start the deal with her. Get her to buy one thing first and then add the other possibilities, but that's something to consider. Another thing to do is to make sure that you do great with your online presence as well. So some people just get an online order from, say, they reach out to Walmart, but Walmart.com picked up their product. And some people get really frustrated by that. They thought, oh, that sucks. I didn't get my order. I wanted a purchase order from Walmart stores and such a disappointment. Here's the deal, guys. That's an equally as important offer as Walmart stores. You may not have made as much money as you hoped because it was online, but these buyers are working closely together. The Walmart store buyer is separate than the online buyer. They're looking to see if your product's selling. And so many times people just ignore the online visibility of all those things, but you don't understand that millions of people are coming to their websites. This is a whole new audience for you. Number one, it's good for you anyways. And number two, it'll help you get into stores a little bit later on. So don't ignore that test. Make sure that you're doing well. Send people to review your product. Maybe drive some traffic, add traffic to it. Do whatever you got to do. Make sure that test goes well online as well. Don't ignore that. And don't think it's a bad thing. It's an amazing thing because it gets you one step closer to working with a chain store. Another thing is that you want to help the retailers along with some marketing efforts on your end. I had one client who's really good at search engine optimization. He's just so good at ranking his products on Google, like on the first page or whatever your skill set is, take a look at that. Like for his case, one of the things that we were able to tell the buyer when she was looking at his product was, hey, I'm really good at ranking products on the first page of Google. I could actually swap our link out for your link from Walmart or whatever that retailer was. And so people will know about your product on Walmart because of the fact that we did all the work, it's on the first page, and we'll just swap out links so Walmart will be shown as the place to buy this product. The goal here is ultimately just get you thinking about if you're really good at marketing in any way, utilize that to your advantage because it could be the difference between you getting the buyer to pay attention to you or not. In his case, he didn't know much about retail, but he certainly knew about internet. And so he was able to convince the buyer that he could help her sell because the links that he could have placed on that website could be Walmart's links and so forth. Why wouldn't Walmart want to leverage his success online for their benefit and so forth? Things like that. It's fun to think about. And the final thing is get other retail buyers at other brands to buy. So once you get, I see this all the time. So say you worked with CVS, right? You rocked it with CVS, you did things right, you're listening to me, you're making sure the test goes well, whatever it is that you did. The next step is to make sure that Walgreens knows about your product, right? Once it's doing well, you call Walgreens right away. This is something that people don't do. It drives me crazy because there's so much opportunity there. You want to make sure that the other retailers know about your successes. In chain stores, these buyers actually really like that. And you want to leverage the success of one retailer for another. Just something to think about. Anyways, I hope that provided value for you. I have so much content on how to approach, pitch, and sell to retailers and what to say to them to get them to buy. If you're interested in learning more, we have a free webinar coming up. There's a link to that webinar listed below. It's a 90-minute webinar. We walk through details on retail chains, what they care about, all sorts of good stuff. All you have to do is click on the link below, sign up. We have a replay option as well. Or if you like this information, please like us, subscribe, keep in touch with us. We're always adding new content. This is Karen Waksman, Retail MBA. Thanks so much for your time.